Welcome to another HTML tutorial. So we're going to start off this tutorial by creating a new file. And to do that, we're going to go to File, New, and for this tutorial I'm using brackets. You can choose your editor of choice. I like brackets and Sublime, but for this we're going to type in doctype HTML and we're going to save it, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm also going to type in and save it as index.html because that's what we're making. Alright, once we have that, well, the reason why we wrote doctype HTML is because it's the declaration that defines this document to be HTML5. And we're also going to type in HTML, but pretty much it's the root element of an HTML page. Alright, now we're going to type HTML. And the HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. So we always want to make an open bracket and then a close bracket. And for the close bracket, you just put a /. We're also going to type in the head element, which contains meta information about the document. So you could put things inside the head element, like the title element, which we're going to do next. And the title element just specifies a title for the document. For the title, we're going to put page title. Going to type in that. And we are also going to type in a body element tag, which contains the visible page content. And within the body tag, we can put the H1 element, defines a large heading, and the P element, which defines a paragraph. So the header element is going to be your first header. It's going to be the biggest one. And for that, I'm going to type in H1. And we're going to type my first heading. We are also going to add a P tag, which is the paragraph tag. And within the P tag, I'm going to type in my first paragraph. And once you're done with this, you're going to want to save it. I'm going to hit Control S. If you don't want to do that, you could also go to File and Save. By clicking Live Preview on brackets, you can see what you typed, and as you can see, we put my first heading and my first paragraph. And I hope you learned a little bit on HTML. It's just the basics. It's not anything huge, but it'll get you in the door. We could also change the page title. As you can see, it changes the page title. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed the video.